the roof of the house? Where? Point it. Yeah.
That's the roof.
I'm gonna put glue first in the roof.
I'll put,
Okay.
you put blue?
Glue.
Glue?
Sige na.
What glue?
Sige, put whatever color you like.
Kani?
Sige.
Kani?
Sige, whatever you like, anak.
No.
Here's the roof.
What?
Okay, another one.
Red, ne?
Okay, another color.
The color, I color yellow, color red, color blue, color brown.
Okay, color the roof red. You want red, right?
Yeah.
Okay, color red.
It's too enough.
Sige, put. Okay, next one.
Wait, put.
Mm.
Put like this.
I will do.
Wait.
Okay. Sige.
Stuck over there.
Okay, next one.
Wait, it's stuck.
Yeah, because it's a glue. Sige.
Oh, blue. Again.
Again. Fill the roof with color red.
Blue, red. Why?
That's the instruction.
That's one? Why?
You like the roof color red, right?
I'll go to talk to look. I'll go to talk later.
You will talk to Ling later after you do your assignment. Okay.
Now another one. Wait, she look like that. The sticks is so long.
Sige na.
Again.
Again.
Wait, so many red.
Ayaw diha sa paper. Ayaw sa paper. Sige. So, dari lang. Ano diha.
Get more. Get more. I'll see get more.
Okay. We have talked about that.
Ma.
Hmm.
Wait. First yellow and second orange.
Sige
Ma. Asaka.
Here.
Asaka.
Here only. Red.
Where you going?
Here ba? Talk na ba ito, kuya? Because naghatag siya.
Want the color to my final. Ma. Or blue, or yellow, or brown, or red. Which you color like? What's a color with white?
Ano color white?
Color white or blue?
Which one you like?
I want blue.
Blue.
Blue can color. Blue can color. Only two left.
Salamat ya.
Mama. Hello, Mom. Assignment? I'm
How about-
done?
No, if we muna kasi mo assignment, then you're done.
What?
But for now, not yet. How
Wow.
about this? Mahal ka sa roof. What color you want here?
Blue.
Blue, okay.
I want blue.
Get color blue.
I get that.
Get color blue.
It's a duck hunt.
Yeah, it's a dog country.
What's a duck hunt?
I need to Lola. We need to go to Lola. I need to see Lola.
Lola?
Why? Long time na ko nakakita ni Lola.
Ayun to na Lola.
Bali.
The stitch. It's a blouse.
Pero siya.
Here, how Raka.
Hindi na.
No.
What's wrong?
So, ikaw.
Ayo, hindi ko matabi.
Ikaw ba?
Kita ka ba ng teacher? Sige na.
Teacher ka?
I'm your mama.
Teacher ka?
For now, I'm your teacher.
No, I'm not you're not a teacher.
I'm who?
No, I'm not.
Kinsa man ko? Si?
Mama.
Mama.
Mama Kelia.
Mama Kiara.
No, Kelia.
Oh?
I say Kelia. Tapos here. No, not the other side. Not to go to the house. I cannot stick him. Not put into orgasm.
Bali.
Look, it's stick na. It's stick
Stick
na.
na. Ang stick na dyan. Okay.
Let's stick. Now, I'll finish the blue one.
Okay.
I see him. Look, I see him. Mama, grade me, huh? Play to now prison.
Okay.
Grade me to prison, huh?
With the black?
Yeah.
Okay.
Ma, play to the prison, huh?
Gonna make a prison sa black?
Ma, join me come on prison, huh?
TNT black?
No. Ma, join me kang sepon na ang katunggar, ha? Join me.
Ba't magkuhan ka?
Stuck!
Get mo.
Aren't you stuck? Is it strong?
Yeah.
Wait. Not? Not strong? Yay! I survived my way!
Sige na.
It's a dimension out here. Wait. Say yellow there? Why? So daghan. Asam brown?
There's no brown, ano.
Not brown there.
Is that brown?
Yeah?
Are you sure?
Yeah?
Are you sure this is brown?
Yeah.
Tarong. Is this brown or what? What color is this?
Brown. Right?
What color is this?
Red.
Very good.
What is she
Nagsigig
reading?
ko ano.
What?
Sige na.
Color colors. Wait. Orange, blue. Wait. You want to say blue? No. You got assignment? Wait. I cannot. It's stuck.
Sige na, ituloy.
Feeling to the blue. No. The color can help me. Oh, the color. The color red. I'm stuck again.
Play na ka. Play na ka. Oh.
Mama,
Oh.
ma,
Yes.
are you suko?
No.
Unsa ka?
You're not focusing na.
No.
Focus. Focus assignment.
Ma, it's stuck again. No, it's
Sige, sige.
putting to the ground, to the hole. What? Okay.
Sige na.
Ma, suko ka?
No.
Unsa ka?
Tuloy lang.
No. Di ko gusto.
Hala, you don't want to finish your assignment?
I'm finished, ma.
Oh, faster na.
Ma, are you done yet?
No, are you done yet?
Yes.
Oh, not yet.
Why?
Dugay kayo ka.
I'm sorry. Sorry. Wait.
I'm sorry for you.
No.
It's okay, it's okay.
No, Simon.
It's okay.
It's close. It's Anna.
Hmm.
Thanks.
How about this? You like this?
Uh-oh. Yes. Wait. Wala? It's so silly. Look like a cow.
Wala. Baliktad. Not like this, anak. Oh, like this. Oh, look.
What?
Show ma. I will show you.
What?
You will get one color. Do it like this. Then, like that.
What?
Okay? Get one color.
Blue?
Any color. Like this. Hold with your one hand. Hold with one hand. Then, with your other hand. Then, just like this. Then, hold. Babe. Baby. See? Is it easy?
Yeah.
Okay, do it yourself. Okay, then put it. Good job. Again.
Are you study?
Oh, sorry.
You cannot just me.
Sige. Okay.
Are you study na po?
Mama has to tabi with you.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yan na, faster.
My English. You like pink? You like pink, ma? Do you like pink? Do you
Ano
like
siya nga, she wants to talk to Lingling. Kung pag-fast niya, para makatalk na kong Lingling.
small again?
Sige. Sige. Sabi ko, gabidyo.
Magling. Magling, join me lang, ha? Join me. Asa sa Lingling, ma?
Pag-fast na diha. Ay, wala na tayo memory sa cellphone. Sige na.
Ma.
Mm.
Command Simon ang cellphone ko.
Thanks.
Thanks.
You're welcome. Sige na.
Papa can wait. Are you so dugay?
Ako na nagdugay. Ikaw dugay.
No, it's a duck high.
Ay, ito daghan, Jod.